Hey guys, it's Mary, and look what I got last week. Wait for it. Confetti Dies from Crafter's Companion. Yes, I am so excited. This is the first auto ship or second auto ship. I don't know, to tell you the truth anymore, because, you know, the auto ships have been a crapshoot. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. And this one, I got a couple of different messages from HSN saying it was on extended delivery, it was delayed. And, you know, it's like anytime they tell you that, there is always that possibility that the next one's going to say, oops, we canceled your order. So, and they don't have very many auto ships anymore. And that is one of the reasons. But I really like these. And so, you hold your breath and you cross your fingers and hope that they come. And they were late, but they did come. And I hope everybody that ordered them has now received theirs with no glitches and no cancellations. So, so we've got the Confetti Sparkles one. They're just so cute the way they did them, you know, and there hasn't been a lot of new, you know, trendy things, in my opinion, but this was one of them. So, and look at how cute this is. It's got the balloons, and then in different sizes. It's got some stars in different sizes. And then they took the balloons that cut out and put them over here. And then the stars and the dots. Isn't that cute the way they did that? So cute. And this just with the streamers and the confetti and the stars. I mean, this could be for graduation, birthdays, any kind of celebration, anniversary. So I'm real happy that they came, and real happy with them. So that's it. So let me know in comments. Were you waiting on yours? Did you get yours? Did you not get yours? Hopefully they're at least have shipped them out and they're on their way to you. Fingers crossed. I mean, I really hope nobody got caught in being canceled. I know there's been a lot on the Facebook groups about things being canceled, so I hope everybody was able to get theirs. So that's it. I'm happy. Let me know in comments if you picked this setup, if you got the auto ships, and how you like them. So that's it for this one, short and sweet. If you have not subscribed, I would love it if you did. You can hit that subscribe button, and if you hit that bell, it will send you notifications. It's pretty simple and easy. Also, that like button is there too. That would be awesome if you like any of the videos when you watch them. That really helps YouTube people. You know, it's all numbers to YouTube. So us little people got to always be, you know, doing better and better for them. So yeah, so that's it. So I hope you've had a good day, and I will see you next time. But until then, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.